Bro, they're actually so nice. Holy, look at the stretch on the rear, eh? Damn, these are actually so nice. It's like a mirror, yo.
2-inch whip.
And then you got my wheels. This guy put my wheels on for the winter. Damn, bro. It looks weird with the red though.
I don't know.
You should cut some wrap and like put it close. Just to see. All right, let's take these wheels off and throw these ones on. Look at the little washers just so it could fit.
Don't need nothing. Oh, this is where your other spacer is.
Yeah. What are you gonna do with all those washers now? Give me this guy. I need this guy.
Get my $30 back. They're like proper centerboard and stuff. I don't
Damn,
know.
they actually look nice. I don't know if they're gonna fit
nice
though.
ones. Well, they'll fit better if it fits over the center. I think it will. I think they'll fit. We'll try them.
Right.
Oh, these are 5 mil though.
The front already pokes a decent amount.
Chrome hardware.
Oh yeah, the chrome ones too, eh? This guy loves his chrome. You're like my dad. With the chrome Porsche, remember the chrome Porsche?
wheels and chrome car.
No, that would be a little too OD. Got all the body work, eh? Yeah, there's PPF on that one, eh? We had to rip it off. Whole bunch of adhesive in the paint chip too. Put some Bondo over here. Took out this rear antenna thing. Took off the bumper. Even the top too.
Sound of the brand new
It spins. Yes, my wheels, bro. My wheels. Look at these new brakes, eh? And new coils.
this weekend.
No way, we actually have to roll them.
Be fine, all right.
Yeah, to roll it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll roll fine.
Might just roll them a bit this weekend.
Yeah, we just gotta picture the blue rat. And the body kit.
The body kits look so good when the wheels poke like this because of the flare.
Yeah.
Whatever, it matches it.
When is the kit coming?
It's here. I just didn't pick it up last week.
Oh, nowhere.
Pick it up this Sunday.
Or a peek, bro.
Yeah, so what?
We're vlogging. Open the bay door. Let's take this whip out and bring in the IS3 on it. Oh shit. Look at this guy got the bucket seats. Short throw.
Power windows, baby.
Wow, fancy. Yeah. Bro, I actually never see my car roll. Yeah, come more.
What's that gonna do?
The pinch weld is way too high up.
What's it on this? Where do you jack it up then? The pinch weld. Huh? Damn, bro.
So this is
Well, this is a rear here.
your rotation
No.
Use that spacer too.
Oh yeah. Grab the one on the thing over there.
These are from my side, right?
Yeah. Came off your car.
proper lug nuts now.
Yeah. With the splines on it, right?
Oh.
Oh no, those are.
Like a mechanic.
There you go.
Alright, man. She fucking fits.
Dobski.
Wheeling and dealing.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. I got my wheels back on. Brought it outside because this piece of wood was slipping on this floor. We got all 4 wheels on. We just brought it inside. We're gonna torque all the wheels. It looks sick though. Yeah, so this is a little bit higher, eh? We raised it for the winter and decided not to bring it down. Bro, it's just too sketchy, bro. I'm just gonna hit everything at the front. But the back looks good. But now we got a problem. How the hell are we gonna fit all these wheels in this car?
Strap into it.
Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do.
I mean, that kind of fits.
Oh, dude, you got all 4 in the back.
Can we do that? That would be clutch. That would go?
I'll go, bro.
No way. Bro, minty fresh. Yeah, just try. Oh, that was way easier than I thought. Look at that. Look at mint. There you go. Call it a day.